Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are taking good care of yourself and your loved ones. Happy festive season. The festive season has already begun. The Diwali has already started on Instagram on little scale, but it's going upwards because Diwali is near. So the first Diwali video of this season on YouTube is here. I promise that I'll be regular with it. So here it is. So the thing is now I decided to do something on a little bit special note for all of you. So this video will be a perfect Diwali look for beginners because I know that many of my viewers don't do makeup on a regular basis or they don't prefer doing it on a regular basis, and I get it that it is a tedious job to get ready and do all the work, but I hope you all will enjoy watching this video. So here is all the makeup products that I'll be using today to create the perfect festive look. It is all beginner friendly, affordable makeup. I have not included any high-end makeup product in this bag right here. This is specially for beginners and affordable makeup, which you can order right away after you watch this video for your Diwali makeup goodies. So this is how it all looks. It has products from MyGlam, Maybelline, Mars Cosmetics, Pilgrim, and I guess we have one more from Inside Cosmetics and Sugar Cosmetics. All affordable. You can find it all on Myntra and Amazon, but MyGlam products you'll find it exclusively on MyGlam. By the way, there's a sale going on MyGlam for the festive edit box, so please go and order as soon as you can do it. Click the link in my bio. That is my link generated for all of you. You can directly shop from it. Click the link in my bio and do shop from MyGlam app. So without wasting much of the time, without a further ado, we'll start creating the perfect makeup look for beginners and with the most affordable products you can get. Starting, I'm using my Pilgrim Secrets of Jeju Iron Vitamin C with Hyaluronic Gold and White Lotus. You all know that this is my hidden Diwali treasure gem, which always comes out in the festive season because it is the most glowy, or I guess most beautiful oil I've used on my face yet. Just look at the texture. Just take 2-3 pumps of it. Sorry, 2-3 drops of it, not pumps, my mistake. So very simply, make sure this. You just look at the glow. Just look at how blue my face looks like after even applied like only 1 or 2-3 drops on my face. Without a doubt, I always use my Maybelline foundation. It goes best with this serum. That I've found no better combination than this one. Just take 1 pump of it. Remember, less foundation during the festive season always brings the best festive glam. Do not overdo with your foundation, please. Warm it up nicely. You can easily do a makeup look after watching this tutorial or while watching this tutorial also. But if you please do tag me and do let me know that you have done after watching this. Look how well it has blended. The best combination for this serum, if you are buying this serum, go with the Maybelline one. You'll find none other better combination than this one. Mark my words here. Concealer wheel. It has a pink undertone concealer corrector, color corrector also if you want to use it. But because I've not color corrected my entire face, so I'm not going into the pink one directly. I think I will show you the makeup set every time I do a YouTube video because I'm obsessed with the set. But anyways, So I'm using my brush by Swiss Beauty. I don't remember which number it is, but it is a concealer brush, I do remember that. You can check it on Amazon, you'll find it. So these two here are my shades used most amount of time. This one is exactly my shade and this one is lighter to my shade. So I'm going in with the first one naturally. Just take this amount and you'll cover it for both the eyes. And the consistency is really good. Take the opposite side of the brush. Do not use the same side of the brush when you are dipping it in the another shade. Take the opposite one. I'm going in more with the brighter tone, which is not my face tone exactly. Because when it comes to festive, your under eye should look always more on the brighter tone. Blend it out. You can even use a blending brush if you wish to, but I always prefer going in with a beauty blender because this pointed thing can go like inside here also and blend the entire concealer. And then with my MyGlam Lit Radiant Matte Compact, this is in the shade Serving Face. You'll find it on the MyGlam app or click the link in my bio to purchase this. Make sure you set your face completely because if you wear this in a Diwali party or for a festive like proper full day, make sure you set your face so that your makeup doesn't even move after a number of hours irrespective of that. And the best I would recommend you to do the airbrush technique. The base is entirely done, all set. Now comes the full face of makeup. This is how the base looks. Now going in with the makeup. So I have my Sugar palette here. I told you this video is going to be extremely affordable and extremely beginner friendly. Trust me, you buy this one palette and you will be covered for all the beginners out there. Blush, highlighter and contour, you'll be done. You will not need n number of products, n number of palettes, n number of chotu products. Like bronzer is different, blush is different. Of course you need that in your vanity because makeup comprises it of all. But going in for one palette, you can go in with this one. I'm not in the mood of doing my heavy contouring or my sharp contouring, so we'll just bronze and contour a little bit for the chisel face. But if you want to skip that part, you can definitely skip in and directly go in with the blush because the blush is very beautiful deep rose pink shade, so you might want to go in with that. But I personally never skip contouring, so beautiful the placement is. The product is not that heavy on your skin tone. Place the product first and then start blending. Do not start blending immediately. Place it on your skin, let it sit for 5 seconds, then start blending it out. Do not start blending it immediately. Again with the blush, I'm taking this one right here. Beautiful deep rose pink shade. Again, very beautiful, very lightweight again. Entire face, you're all done with the face makeup, contour, blush, highlighter, eye glam. It is Scent Nudes. It is a 4 eyeshadow kit. It is by PopXO new makeup launch. Just look how beautiful all the 4 shades are like, and this one is my favorite. Yeah, you can see how much I used it. Because I am wearing pink jhumkas, yellow kurti, so the best one will go with this pink. So we'll directly dive into this. Take your blending brushes. I have my Pro Art PE21 which I use. Taking a little amount of the pink one. This will be the transition eyeshadow shade, so be very particular about it. If you don't want to have like much of the transition shade, just थोड़ा सा side में. just to give your eyes a little bit on the dense effect. Going in with this one, I'll show you how beautiful the shade is. This is how it looks. This is how it looks here. Just look how pretty the shade is. But festive season isn't complete without eyeliners. I know I do not apply eyeliners, but in festive season it's incomplete. I'm using my Glam Precision eyeliner. It's the liquid eyeliner, stay defined one. This is how the tip looks. A very thick, very beautiful single stroke. And my Glam Volumizing and Curling Twist It Mascara. This is how the wand looks. One thing which is my favorite, lipsticks. For lipsticks, I have my No Drama Mini Lip Kit exclusively by My Glam, new again launched by Popexo. This will look the best. These are all the 3 shade swatches. So we will go in with this. Let me find out which one is this out of these. And not this one. The last one is this. This is how pretty the shade looks. Super pretty, super cute. Done with the makeup. The makeup is complete. Look how put together it is all looking with just few products and you can get your hands on, and you should definitely get your hands on. Check the description. All the links are mentioned there. Shop from there and save money. But anyways, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. I will see you in my next festive tutorial or my next makeup video very soon. Stay tuned for it and happy festivities.